Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I am back with a video today. I have been putting off a load of jobs and we've all got them. So they are jobs in my home, and there's certain parts of my home that I don't really like going to, that are a real mess, that need sorting out. They're kind of those hidden places where things get shoved. And I am on a mission this week to clear out those places. So I am not going to get this all done in one day. And the kids are around today, so obviously we want to go off and do something with them. So this is about clearing and cleaning and decluttering cupboards and spaces that I have been putting off for a long time. So one big one for me is my freezer. I really want to sort that out. I want to declutter. I want to take out some of the food that's probably been in there a little bit too long. I might have a little bit of freezer burn. So I want to clear all of that out, make some space, but also put together a new inventory of what I've got in my freezer, which really helps me with meal planning and also knowing what to buy going forward. I think it's just something I've been putting off for ages. So yeah, come with me. I wanted to motivate you really also to clean those parts of your home that you have been putting off, or you kind of close a drawer and you kind of try and you can't shut it because it's so full of stuff. It's that kind of thing. I would love it if you were to come along, have a go at those places yourself and let me know how you've got on. So if you're not a subscriber to my channel and you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you as one of my subscribers. So let's get started, and the first job is going to be the freezer. So my freezer, I've got a tall freezer, is in my garage, so it's not ideal, and it is, I know, it's quite full of stuff, and I have a door propped up against it. Basically, this door is going to be going on the downstairs toilet. So at some stage when they did the extension before we moved in, they put a new door on the bathroom, and actually I want one of these, which is one of the traditional ones that are everywhere else in the house. So actually this will be going, but at the moment it is propped up next to my freezer. Yeah, so let's go in. Right, now Emily has come in to be my helper, and she started writing on my, oh there she is, writing on my list for me. So basically what I've done so far is I've done the first 3 rows, and I'm quite happy. I have got rid of a few things I've had in the freezer for a bit too long. I know, there's other things that I'm going to get out now, all the drawers, which is going to take a while. So we're going to go through everything, we're going to work out what we can get rid of, what we're going to have for tea. No, we've got other bits to do. Yes, but I'm happy so far that it's already a lot more decluttered, and because I've made my list, I know what I've got. I'm not just going and buying more stuff. Shall we show you what we've done so far? So I'm a lot happier now that I've managed to clear out all of these, and I've got quite a bit of more room now.
Potato muffin.
I know. And just in case you're wondering, what I have done is I've put some wood in the shelves, just basically some MDF plywood.
What you have?
Right here, I've put MDF on top of the shelves so that things don't fall through, and that works well for me. So yeah, so that things don't fall through. So we're going to get on with the rest now. Right, here we go. It looks so much better. I've cleared out loads and loads of stuff, and I've now got lots of spare room, which is what I wanted. I want to get a few things for the freezer in the next day or two. So I'm really pleased that that's sorted out. Thank you, Emily, for your help. Yay. Right, next job. Right, so I've tackled the freezer. The second job that I want to do is a cupboard, which is down here, and it's my spice cupboard, but there's loads of oils in it as well. Anyway, I hate it. Every time I look at the cupboard or go to open the cupboard and need to use it, I kind of go, ooh, and shut it again really quickly. When I was doing my kitchen makeover last year, or year before, it was last year, I didn't clean it out. I mean, this is how bad it is. Part of the problem is that it's not very accessible, and that I've got a recycling, I'll just show you. It's not very accessible. And here it is. Here's the cupboard. And the problem is I've got this recycling bin in front. Now this is like a council recycling bin. And I've already got one bin up here, which I use for my household compost stuff that I put in my own compost bin, but this is other stuff, so it's cooked food and things like that, and I don't like having this up on the surface, so I put it on the floor. For a while I tried to put it in my under sink cupboard, but it just didn't work, and it ended up just ending up here again. So this cupboard is annoying because you open it and actually you don't have proper sort of access to it. So what I did a while ago, probably not long after we moved in, is I got this pull-out drawer, but it is gross. I mean, it's supposed to have a little step thing so that you can pull it out. But I mean, look, it's just really, really gross. And there's stuff up there and it's so dark. So I'm gonna just take everything out and give it a clean. I haven't got any kind of organising solution for it right now, but just cleaning it I think is going to make me feel better. Right, so I'm really pleased because I did it. I did the cupboard, and actually it didn't take very long. Something that I've been really putting off, and I absolutely hate it. It didn't take me very long to tidy up at all. I know I need to organise it. I need to come up with some kind of special, wonderful organising solution, but that isn't really what my plan was today. It was just to get in and clean it. And the fact that I've done the freezer and cleaned that out and cleaned out that cupboard, it has made a huge amount of difference to the way that I'm feeling, even though obviously I'm feeling quite poorly today. again, also just getting out in the garden. I'm going to go out and sit there now and just enjoy it for a little while. I love seeing my plants, seeing all these loads of buzzy bees and butterflies around. So I'm just going to get out there and enjoy it. So if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.